In this podcast episode, Andrew Huberman delves into the critical roles of thyroid hormone and growth hormone in regulating metabolism. He emphasizes that metabolism is not merely about weight loss. Rather, it encompasses the consumption and utilization of energy within the body for growth, repair, and maintenance of function. Both thyroid hormone and growth hormone are pivotal in maintaining lean body mass, supporting cognitive function, and promoting overall health. Thyroid hormone, primarily in the form of T3, triiodothyronine, is crucial for metabolic processes. It is produced by the thyroid gland, which is located around the Adam's apple. The production of thyroid hormone is regulated by a cascade of signals starting from the hypothalamus, which releases thyroid-releasing hormone, TRH, that prompts the pituitary gland to secrete thyroid-stimulating hormone, TSH. TSH then stimulates the thyroid gland to produce T3 and T4, thyroxine. While T4 is less active, T3 is the primary hormone that influences metabolism. Thyroid hormone plays a multifaceted role in the body. It promotes the breakdown of fats into fatty acids, enhances glucose metabolism, and supports the growth and repair of tissues, including muscle, bone, and cartilage. A healthy level of thyroid hormone is associated with a leaner body composition, while low levels can lead to increased body fat and decreased muscle mass. Huberman highlights the importance of iodine, selenium, and L-tyrosine in the synthesis of thyroid hormones. Iodine is commonly found in iodized salt and seaweed, while selenium is abundant in foods like Brazil nuts, fish, and certain meats. L-tyrosine, an amino acid, is derived from various protein sources. Adequate intake of iodine, selenium, and L-tyrosine is essential for optimal thyroid function. Huberman notes that many people may not consume sufficient selenium, particularly if their diets lack animal products or Brazil nuts. He encourages listeners to assess their dietary intake to ensure they meet the necessary requirements for these nutrients. Additionally, he discusses the relationship between thyroid hormone and glucose metabolism, explaining how thyroid hormone enhances glucose uptake in tissues, which is vital for energy production and cognitive function. Transitioning to growth hormone, Huberman explains that it follows a similar regulatory pathway as thyroid hormone. Growth hormone-releasing hormone, GHRH, from the hypothalamus stimulates the pituitary gland to release growth hormone, which then acts on various tissues to promote growth, repair, and metabolism. As individuals age, the secretion of growth hormone declines, contributing to slower recovery from injuries, increased body fat, and a decrease in metabolic rate. Huberman emphasizes that while growth hormone replacement therapy has gained popularity, it carries risks, particularly when levels become excessively high. Instead, he focuses on actionable strategies to naturally increase growth hormone levels. These strategies include optimizing sleep, engaging in specific types of exercise, and considering certain supplements. Growth hormone is primarily released during sleep, particularly during the deep sleep phase, known as slow-wave sleep. Huberman highlights the significance of maintaining low blood glucose levels before sleep to facilitate growth hormone release. He also discusses the role of delta wave activity in the brain, which is associated with deep sleep and stimulates the release of growth hormone. Exercise is another powerful tool for increasing growth hormone levels. Huberman notes that both resistance training and endurance exercise can lead to significant increases in growth hormone, particularly when performed for about 60 minutes. A proper warm-up is essential to enhance growth hormone release, and maintaining low blood glucose levels during exercise is crucial. He explains that excessive exercise duration or elevated body temperature can inhibit the subsequent release of growth hormone. Huberman discusses the amino acid arginine as a supplement that can substantially increase growth hormone levels. However, he cautions that the amount of arginine required for significant effects can be quite high, and excessive intake may lead to gastrointestinal discomfort. He also notes that while arginine can enhance growth hormone release, it may limit the effects of exercise on growth hormone levels. An intriguing aspect of growth hormone regulation is the influence of temperature. Huberman presents evidence that exposure to high temperatures, such as through sauna use, can dramatically increase growth hormone levels. Studies indicate that short sessions in a sauna can lead to increases of up to 16-fold in growth hormone release. However, he emphasizes the importance of safety when engaging in temperature manipulation, as excessive heat can be dangerous. Lastly, Huberman touches on the emerging field of peptides, which are short chains of amino acids that can mimic the effects of hormones. He explains that certain peptides, like sermorelin, can stimulate the release of growth hormone from the pituitary gland. While these peptides can be effective, he advises caution due to potential side effects and the risk of suppressing natural hormone production.